Welcome back to the .NET MAUI Beginners Series. I'm James Montemagno, a product manager on the developer community team here at Microsoft, and we are continuing our journey on building native cross-platform desktop and mobile apps with .NET MAUI. Now in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to learn what you need to install and get up and running with .NET MAUI on Windows. Now, .NET MAUI is part of .NET, which means when you install the .NET SDK, you can also install .NET MAUI. You can do this through the command line with the .NET workload installer, and this also means that you can build and package up your applications completely from the command line as well. But if you're like me, you love a great integrated development environment in IDE such as Visual Studio. And Visual Studio 2022 not only simplifies getting up and running with .NET MAUI, but it also gives you advanced tools and productivity features, including XAML and C# hot reload. This is one of my favorite features when I'm developing with .NET MAUI because it enables me to deploy my application to a device or simulator, and then it enables me to write code and make changes, hit save, and see them update in real time. Additionally, when you're on Windows, you'll also have access to the Android Device Manager, SDK, and so much more. And if you're on Windows 11, you can use the Windows subsystem for Android, which enables you to actually debug your Android applications directly on your Windows machine. You can, of course, plug in a device at any time to deploy it directly. Now, let's go ahead and get started with installation of .NET MAUI. And the very first thing that we need to do is download Visual Studio 2022. Now there are many flavors of Visual Studio 2022, including Community, Professional, and Enterprise, and you can pick any of them. Visual Studio 2022, any edition, includes .NET MAUI. The number one page you'll want to bookmark right away is the .NET MAUI documentation. This gives you a great overview of every single thing that you need to start building applications with .NET MAUI, including fundamentals such as app startup, data binding, and resource dictionaries, and XAML overview as well. You can learn all about the different user interface controls and layouts and pages, and even find out how to publish your application. Now, we want to get started and install Visual Studio, so I like the Getting Started section, and here, Build Your First App. This is going to walk through actually building and deploying our very first app on different platforms, but it'll also give us a link directly to Visual Studio 2022. Now, Visual Studio 2022 continuously updates to add new productivity features, so while I'm installing 17.3 preview, there might be a newer version that's out that you'll want to install today. Now, once you download any of the different versions of Visual Studio 2022, you'll be brought to the workload selection screen. And here, this is where you'll see desktop and mobile, and you'll see .NET Multi-Platform App UI Development. Check this checkbox and it'll give you everything that you need for .NET MAUI development. Now, if you want to do other things such as web development with ASP.NET Core, or you want to do Azure development, you can do it there. There's even tools for Unity, C++, extending Visual Studio, and so much more. So check out all the workloads inside of Visual Studio. Now, when you launch Visual Studio 2022, you'll see Get Started, and you can hit Create a New Project. This is going to give you all the different projects that Visual Studio 2022 can do, and there's a lot of them based on the workloads you select. Here I can just type in MAUI, and this will give me the .NET MAUI templates. I have my brand new app, a .NET MAUI Blazor hybrid application, and a class library. In the next video, we'll explore all of those. We're going to explore everything in a brand new project with .NET MAUI so you understand what you're getting yourself into and how to deploy on an emulator, device, or directly on your Windows machine. So stay tuned.